In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Figma designs to HTML using Figma. This process will guide you through transferring your creative work efficiently, allowing you to leverage Figma's capabilities for further development or presentation. To begin this journey, make sure Figma is open. If you haven't already done so, launch the Figma application on your device. Once you have it open and ready, take a look over to the left-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll find the main menu. Click on it. This is your gateway to a variety of tools and options that Figma has to offer. From the menu, navigate down to the Plugins section. Go ahead and click on Plugins. You should see an option that says Manage Plugins. This will open a new window where you can search and manage the plugins that Figma supports. Head over to the search bar located at the top of this window. Here, type in Figma to HTML with Figma. This specific plugin will enable you to bridge the gap between designing in Figma and creating dynamic HTML within Figma. Once you've typed it in, select the appropriate plugin from the list that appears. Click on it and you'll be presented with two options. For now, go ahead and click Run. As the plugin runs, you'll need to click Open in Figma to continue. This ensures that your session within the plugin syncs correctly with your current Figma document, and you'll be able to work seamlessly within Figma itself. Next, identify the element you want to convert to HTML. Copy this element by selecting it, and then proceed to right-click. This will bring up a menu where you should again navigate to Plugins. Now, select Figma to HTML with Figma from the list. In this step, you'll want to choose the option Copy to Clipboard. This action copies the element in a format that's ready to be pasted into Figma. Now it's time to switch gears and head over to Figma. It's a powerful tool for creating interactive and responsive designs. In Figma, simply paste the element you've just copied from Figma. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+5 on your keyboard. Your element will now appear in your Figma workspace. This step may require a bit of patience, as sometimes pasting elements might take a little while, depending on your system and the complexity of the design. Once your design element from Figma is successfully pasted into Figma, it might not initially be visible. If this is the case, simply click on the image to make it visible within your project. The final touch to this seamless transfer is to publish your project. Click Publish in Figma and you're all set. You've successfully converted your Figma design to HTML using Figma. This process not only saves time, but also opens up a world of possibilities to interact with your designs in a dynamic web-based format. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy designing.